Is it good time to come to Germany, especially when there is a war in Middle East and a lot of people are asking they should leave Middle East or UAE and come to Germany. So is that a right move or not? So let me tell you very clearly, don't go for the LinkedIn post or social media content that people are talking. Okay, Germany is big, their market is growing and there are a lot of IT jobs and come on job seeker visa. This is just top line story. In reality, Germany is also having a lot of recession. More than 200,000 people lost job in last 2 years. Automotive industry is bad, and AI and IT jobs are not as easy as it would be. So for example, if you will be applying for Germany digital marketing or IT jobs, usually they were like 25 to 30 candidate for one position, but right now it's more than 100 people are applying for every job. And this is, I'm talking about senior jobs. So if you apply for junior jobs or entry level job, you will might see more competition because a lot of young graduates are coming from universities and they are also looking for full-time jobs, and they are applying, so they are also jobless. Similarly, language is a big barrier in Germany. If you are having B1 even and you have experience, you still need to have like C1. 90% companies are hiring C1, C2 native level people for the IT jobs even. So this is not as easy. So I would recommend you do your proper due diligence, do your research and check your jobs while sitting in your hometown. Don't follow the social media people or the recruiters or the agents to get visa and to come here, and then after coming in Germany you spend like 1 year on job seeker visa but you don't get a job, and then you waste a lot of money and energy and you get frustrated. So best, it's better you just do your homework better, learn language while sitting in your hometown, India, Pakistan, whatever, and then see if your market or your relevant field has real jobs available. Then move on. Don't just be over ambitious and just plan because everybody is talking German market is growing, they have a short of IT people, and they have short of staff. This is not true for every sector. So this is a little message for everybody. If you need more info, you can contact me, and hope you have good homework before planning. Take care and see you in the next one.